morning everybody. So this isn't like my usual vlog, but I'm just going to do it anyway because I think it affects men from all walks of life. So yeah, so basically I have booked a vasectomy and it is the morning of the vasectomy. Yeah, my nerves are just shot at the moment. I'm so nervous about this. Yeah, I'm just trying not to think about it too much to help myself. But, you know, you can't get away from it. The nerves are going to be there. It's not a normal thing to do. Yeah, I keep saying in the back of my mind, it's going to be okay, it's not going to hurt. I don't have to do anything, so it's not like the pressure's on me. I just have to lay there and just accept what's going to happen. So, yeah, got that at 20 past 11. It's in about 2 hours' time. Yeah, so I thought I'd vlog the experience, and hopefully it will help someone, maybe. You know, even if it just helps one person, then yeah, it's worth doing. So, vasectomy, only get one if you are 100% sure this is what you want. I mean, I've got 2 kids. I know I definitely don't want any more, even if I broke up with my wife, heaven forbid, and got with someone else and they wanted kids. That's not what I want, so this is definitely the right choice for me. But yeah, only do it if it's right for you. The wife is also in agreement that this is what we should do, because we've got 2 kids is plenty enough for us. We don't want any more. We can't handle any more. It's, you know, for what we want out of life, 2 is, yeah, more than enough. So yeah, just make sure it's the right decision. Make sure it's the right decision for you, and yeah, go to your GP, get it booked. I mean, I'm only 28. It took me a bit of convincing for my GP to, you know, refer me for this. But yeah, you just gotta have a strong argument if it's what you wanna, if it's what you definitely wanna do. So yeah, well, yeah, I'm not gonna vlog the procedure because no, I'm not that confident on that. Because I'll probably just scream like a little girl. So I'm not gonna do that. So yeah, I'll vlog it afterwards, and probably sort of a couple of days afterwards as well, just so you can see what sort of experience I've had on it. So yeah, I'm gonna go probably get myself a drink, go get a cup of tea or something, and just try and, yeah, not think about it too much for the next 2 hours. So yeah, wish me luck. So we are back from the vasectomy clinic, and I'm sore, really sore right now. Yeah, also not a great journey home in the car. Nearly passed out at one point. Yeah, just felt like my soul had left my body. You laughing? But yeah, the actual procedure, it's not great. I wouldn't want to do it again. It's not god awful, but it's not great. You experience sensations that you've never felt before. Like, there's a lot of pulling and stuff, and it's just weird. It's just weird. It's not comfortable at all. It's actually extremely uncomfortable. Yeah, it's not completely pain-free. No, it is. Some bits are pretty sharp, especially when they're doing the clamping and stuff. That hurts quite a bit, but you've just got to lay there and take it. Yeah, so yeah, I had mine burnt, the ends of mine, and that was pain-free. That wasn't an issue. Took about 15 minutes each side. Yeah, the staff were really nice and friendly, but obviously that will depend where you go. But yeah, it's painful now. It's quite painful. Going to take some paracetamol, I think. Sit down, have some food, and yeah, spend the rest of the day on the sofa, I think, and see what happens from there. But I'm gonna keep this updated. I'll do the next couple of days until it turns into complete normality again. Been told to, I've got like a plaster on it, I've got to keep that on for 24 hours before I have a shower, and then after that I can have a shower and yeah, take the plaster off. So yeah, we'll see if it's gonna get any easier from here. But it's not completely awful, but it's not great. So yeah, I hope this video helps some people. Good morning. So it is the day after. Yeah, it feels about the same as what it did yesterday. I've tried to give it as much of an inspection as I can, and it doesn't look too swollen or anything, so yeah, that's a bonus. Last night was uncomfortable. I could only lay on my back with my legs sort of shoulder width apart, and that's how I had to stay. So I kept waking up, and that wasn't comfortable. Last night wasn't the best night's sleep I've had, but it wasn't horrific either. I did try to lay on my side at one point, but that was just causing me pain, so I couldn't do that. So yeah, today I'm just going to take it easy, spend a lot of time on the sofa, probably have a walk around every now and then. I find that sometimes eases the pain if you sat there a bit too long. I can't wait to have a shower. I'm not allowed to have a shower for the first 24 hours, so yeah, I'll probably have a shower. Just have to have had some lunch or something. Try and get the plaster off that they put on. Yeah, I think it's kind of stuck to my boxers at the moment because of all the disinfectant stuff they put on. I think that's kind of stuck to it. I don't think I've had any leakage of blood or anything, so that's good. Also, I have not taken any painkillers yet. I haven't felt the need to. It's been a bit uncomfortable, but not pain-wise it is worth taking paracetamol or anything. So yeah, if you can gauge the level of pain off that, it's not really that bad. It's just a bit uncomfortable, that's all. So it is the end of the day 2, I suppose you can call it. Yeah, I've had a shower and everything now, which was brilliant. They're fairly swollen, but yeah, they're not too painful at the moment, so that's good. I'm actually gonna make an attempt to go back to work tomorrow. I've got an office job, so it shouldn't be too bad. If it's too uncomfortable, like just sitting in a chair all day, I'll just come home again. But yeah, I'm gonna basically leave this vlog here for now. If anyone wants me to do a follow-up, comment down below and I'll do a follow-up. I'll try and answer any questions that you've got. Yeah, so I'd appreciate it if you could leave a like on this video, also subscribe, and yeah, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching. Bye.